Today I'm using the center wheel cap to replace the engine cover emblem on the ML63 AMG, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and back to another do-it-yourself video. I know you guys are wondering, why is this emblem doing on this carbon fiber engine cover? So before I jump into explaining the reason, please guys, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you guys can get notified when I post new content. So with that being said, let's get into it. For some reason, I don't know what happened, but the emblem got missing from this engine cover. I'm assuming the time when I went to get the spark plug change and the air filter, I think it got missing that time. But they said that they don't know where it's at, and I asked them, and they could ask them to search for it, but they couldn't find it. But anyways, I came up with a solution. After calling a few Mercedes dealership and asking them if they sell this part separate, the emblem, they told me no, I would have to buy the whole complete engine cover. And they quote me some ridiculous price. The quote for this piece alone is over $1,000, and I'm not paying $1,000 for this. It's not happening. So I did some research and I found out the measurement for the emblem. The measurement was approximately 76 millimeters. I did additional digging, coming to find out that this, which is the cap for the wheel, measured 75 millimeters. So it's like a millimeter off, not much of a big difference. So I said, you know what? Let me try and put this on here and see how it looks. So what I did was I removed this metal pin, and I also removed these clips from the cap. I also cleaned the cap very nicely. Also, I use 3M tape, which is the commercial 3M tape, not the regular one, the black 3M tape. And also I use the 3M adhesive. It's like a promoter that you can use on the surface to clean the surface to make the 3M tape sticks, you know what I mean, really, really firm. So that's what I did. Guys, look at this. Tell me what you think. I definitely think it should have came like this. The other one was okay, but this looks much better. Also guys, I want you to leave me your comments in the section below and your thoughts, and tell me what do you think or how does it look. And also I want you guys to share and tell me if you guys had similar issues with losing the emblem off your engine cover, and what steps or measures you take to replacing that emblem. All right guys, but I definitely think it looks amazing. I'm not sure how long it will hold up because this black piece here is plastic, and you know the car gets really hot. But I'm thinking this right here, this extra covering, it protects the carbon fiber from getting really hot. So I think it may last. So I'm not sure. I will definitely update you guys further and let you know the longevity of this. But for now, I think it's a win-win. Yeah, I can't go wrong. All right guys, like I said, comment in the section below if you guys misplaced your cap and what measures you guys took to replacing the engine cover cap. Again guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is a short video that I'm just making to keep you guys, you know, motivated to continue watching my channel. It's winter outside. Shut up. It's winter outside now, so it's really cold, so I can't get to do much mod. I do have some mods coming up for the ML, so stay tuned guys. All right, so yeah, so that completes this little short do it yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, and I'm out.